have a delicious treat. We're gonna make some yummy strawberry cupcakes with a sweet center. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, so today we're gonna use our mixer. So first we're gonna take our cake mix. Good job, cake mix. And we're gonna open it. Okay, we're gonna open it and we're gonna pour it inside. Very good, very good. Very good. Next, we're gonna we're gonna get half a cup of oil. And we're gonna pour our oil in our, what color? Our pink measuring cup. All right, let's open and let's pour. Very good. Then we're gonna put that in with the cake mix. Put it in, very good. All right, next, 1 cup of water. And we have our cup of water here. What color is our measuring cup? Orange. Can you say orange? Orange. Okay, go ahead and pour it inside. Very good, bakers, though. Next, we have 3 eggs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 3 eggs. Put on our gloves. Here. So now we can go ahead and crack our eggs and put it inside the mixer. Crack. Open. Good job. Crack. Good job. Open. Good job. 1 more. Last egg. Crack. Open. Good job. All right. We can take our gloves off because we're all done cracking. What are you pointing to, Zoe? Baker Zoe's pointing to our marshmallow hearts. We're going to put the marshmallows inside of here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cupcakes. We're gonna make 6 cupcakes. Are you ready to start? Right here. Let's mix. So let's go ahead and raise our mixer and we're gonna turn it on. And we're going to mix. Very good. Now we can speed it up a little bit that it's been mixing. And we're going to keep mixing. We're done mixing, so we can take our bowl off. Let's take our mixer off. And Mommy's going to give it 1 good mix. Would you like to help give it 1 good mix? Come on. Let's go away. Now we're going to fill in our cupcake pan. And make sure to keep the marshmallow in the center. Let's count again to make sure we filled up all of our cupcake pan. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 6. All right. So now that we're finished finished filling up our cupcake pan, we're gonna put this in the oven. Give me a high five, Baker So. Yeah, you did so good. So now that we're done filling up our cupcake pan, we're gonna put it in the oven. We already set the oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna put the cupcakes in for 30 minutes. We'll be back. Ta-da! So our cupcakes are ready. They have cooled. We did put them in the freezer just so they could quickly cool. Now we're going to add our icing. Like this, you take the cupcake and you put the icing on. And there we are, yummy strawberry cupcakes with a sweet surprise in the center. Enjoy! Bye-bye!